Governor Josh Green is traveling to Washington, D.C. to lobby against one of President-elect Donald Trump's cabinet nominees. Green's office says he will meet with senators about the nomination of Robert F. Kennedy Jr. as Secretary of Health and Human Services. A spokesperson says the governor will draw from his experience as an ER physician and his work combating the measles epidemic on Samoa. Governor Green will leave for Washington on Sunday and return next Thursday. Governor Green will join us live this morning at 6:30. You are jumping on a flight to Washington, D.C. next week to lobby against President-elect Donald Trump's Department of Health and Human Services election, which would be RFK Jr.
Right.
What's your experience with him?
So this is not personal or political, okay? RFK Jr. went to Samoa 5 years ago and scared that entire country away from being vaccinated. They stopped vaccinating. There was a terrible measles outbreak, which killed 83 people, most of which were children. And then our team of 76 healthcare professionals were invited to go and vaccinate the country. That's what we did. We did that medical mission, which was extraordinary. We vaccinated just under 37,000 people. And we were able, with their health professionals in Samoa and New Zealand and Australia, we were able to stop that pandemic, but not before 83 people were killed, because RFK scared people from being vaccinated. And just to show you, this is not a partisan issue. If there's anyone out there that thinks I'm behaving in a partisan way, it's not. I think RFK Jr. is a Democrat. He was running for president as a Democrat. He just is unqualified. And again, he could probably serve in a great capacity as an environmental lawyer, but as the Health and Human Services Secretary, he will cause outbreaks because of his position on vaccinations, because of his position on preventive health care. It's dangerous. And so I'm the only physician governor in the country. It's my responsibility to speak up when our children, and I mean not just Hawaii's children, although that is my first and foremost priority, but the children across our country are going to be vulnerable. And you will see outbreaks if his policies get enacted. The Health and Human Services Secretary is a very serious position, and the current healthcare team that the president has constructed don't have any broad public experience. Basically, none of them do. And I've met lots of great conservatives and moderates that could be healthcare providers and professionals in his administration. RFK Jr. is not one of them, and I saw it personally. So I'm going to go meet with a bunch of senators. I will talk to the media to talk about this. And I just want us to make good decisions for our country, honestly. I want us to make good decisions for our state, because I love everybody so much that I don't. It's tragic to wake up and see what we saw with the fireworks situation. It would be tragic to wake up one day and see spread of measles or, God forbid, polio. So we have to be better. We can be better, but we have to work together.
All right, Governor Green, mahalo for joining us this morning, and Happy New Year to you.
Thank you. Happy New Year.